Samsung's next big flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, is expected to drop early next year, likely January, keeping in line with the company's usual launch schedule. And thanks to a fresh leak from reliable tipster Ice Universe, we now have key information regarding some sweet upgrades coming to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start with the battery. If you've followed Samsung's Ultra flagships over the past few generations, you know one thing has stayed oddly consistent: a 5000 mAh battery and 45 watts fast charging. While other brands were sprinting ahead with massive 6000 mAh plus cells and over 100 watts of super fast charging, Samsung kind of sat still. But thankfully, things are about to change, starting with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, if the latest report turns out accurate. According to a tipster on Twitter, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will pack a 5500 mAh cell, up from 5000 mAh in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's a 10% increase, which sounds decent on paper, but let's be honest, that's still a long way behind what the Chinese competitors are offering. Anyway, in addition to a bigger battery, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will also receive faster charging speeds. According to the same leak, the S26 Ultra will support 65 watts wired fast charging the first time a Samsung phone goes beyond the long-standing 45 watts limit. For context, the S25 Ultra took about an hour to fully charge its 5000 mAh battery at 45 watts. But with 65 watts and a slightly larger battery, we could be looking at a full charge in just around 45 minutes. Of course, don't expect a 65 watts charger in the box. This is Samsung we're talking about. The company has long ditched including chargers with its flagships, so the price of that official 65 watts brick might be another story altogether. Interestingly, despite the bigger battery, the S26 Ultra is said to be thinner than its predecessor. Ice Universe claims it will measure under 8mm, compared to the 8.2mm thickness of the S25 Ultra. Furthermore, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is also said to support 25 watts Qi 2 wireless charging, which would be a new record for Samsung in terms of wireless speed, and it's a clear step up from the 15 watts wireless speed we've gotten used to on past Galaxy devices. With that said, for all the latest news regarding the Galaxy S26 Ultra, then consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.